According to reports, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency is monitoring the air and water in the vicinity, and the concentration of toxic substances seems to be at safe levels. However, people do not believe in these measures, standards, or the data obtained by the government. People are getting sick, and fish are dying, causing many to question the effectiveness of official statements. In dealing with the environmental and psychological impacts of toxic substances on the community, the government appears particularly deaf. This is not the first time such an event has occurred, and the United States is paying the price for decades of relaxed regulation. The people of Ohio demand answers and action. They want to know how this toxic train derailment happened and why the government's response was so inadequate. They are disappointed with the lack of communication, transparency, and accountability from those in charge. Now is the time for the United States to seriously examine its regulatory system and take action to prevent such events from happening in the future. We need to find ways to ensure the safe transportation of toxic substances, and when mistakes are inevitably made, we need to react quickly and effectively. Now is the time for the government to step up and respond more strongly to the needs of its citizens. In regulating the transportation of toxic substances, we can no longer be complacent. We need to learn from mistakes and take action to prevent them from happening again. In short, the toxic train derailment in Ohio has sounded the alarm for the United States. We need to take action to protect our communities from the dangers of toxic substances and ensure that the government is accountable to its